Welcome to the Art of Training with Progressive Vectored Resistance. Before we get going on the techniques of working with this force, I'd like to talk to you about the three basic elements. The essence of this practice is the ability to create resistance in any dimension that you need. So this offers tremendous potential for variety. It also offers tremendous potential for training specific needs, whether they're sports-specific athletic needs for rehab or for performance or for injury prevention. There are sort of three elements that we can control through any range that are going to change how the work through any range of motion is experienced by the body. So let's understand this based on three things. The first is the position of the anchor, that is the anchored position of the vectored resistance. If the anchor is high, or if it's low, or if it's at a midpoint, or maybe you've got more than one anchor operating and on the resistance, and the resistance is able to be resisted from up and down. Lots of different possibilities with the anchor point itself. The next thing to consider is your connection to the resistance, whether you're using a handle or a wrist strap or a bar or some other apparatus. How you are connected to the force, again through the same range of motion, is going to affect how the forces are experienced by the body. This is something you can design and work with in many different ways for tremendous useful effect. The third thing is really your orientation to the anchor itself. You know, whether you're facing it, whether you're facing away, whether you're side on. Those are the three elements that we design when we're working this way, the exterior elements. I call them fulcrums or pivot points, where the force is exterior to the body, but it definitely has an effect on the summation of forces. That is the position of the anchor point, your connection to the resistance, and your orientation to the anchored resistance that you're working with. So those are the three elements, and we will talk about them as we go through the entire paradigm.